I'm going to be showing you how to use Magic Grab to move people around in photos. So Canva's Magic Grab lets you select a person or object in a photo and reposition it without manually cutting it out. So you just need to open Canva on your iPhone and sign in. And once you're here, you just need to create a new design or open an existing one. Once you're here, you just need to tap the photo to select it and edit the photo from the bottom toolbar. So you just need to scroll through AI editing tools and search for Magic Grab. Just tap on apps right there and search for Magic Grab. And Canva will automatically detect the main subject in the photo, tap the detected person or object to select it, and drag the selected subject to a new position within the image. So you can just resize or rotate the subject if needed using the editing handles, and then just tap on done to save your changes. Then you can just download it to save the edited image. So that's how you use Magic Grab to move people around in photos. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.